Welcome to the Professional Diploma in Accounting and Taxation with AI, an industry-oriented and job-focused program designed by the IIT Patna Vishlesan I-Hub Foundation. This program transforms graduates into AI-enabled finance professionals, bridging the gap between theory and industry demand. You will master advanced Excel, Tally Prime, GST, taxation, and AI for accounting. The industry is evolving from traditional to AI-integrated accounting. AI brings real-time automation, 99.9% precision, predictive analytics, and auto-updates for tax compliance, moving roles toward strategy and analysis. This program offers a strategic advantage through quick employability and high practical exposure, including real filing experience. It provides an essential ERP plus AI combination and crucial corporate communication training. The complete curriculum is an 8-module framework. It covers MS Office, Advanced Excel, Tally Prime plus AI, GST and income tax, QuickBooks, a specialization track, AI tools, and corporate skills. Our 12-month learning journey progresses through foundation phases to specialization and corporate readiness. Modules range from MS Office and Advanced Excel to Tally Prime, taxation, QuickBooks, and AI tools. The foundation phase, months 1 to 4, builds core competencies. Modules include MS Office for documentation, Advanced Excel for analytics, Tally Prime plus AI for accounting, and GST and taxation for practical compliance. Module 1, MS Office for finance professionals, focuses on detailed curriculum like professional documentation, financial reporting formats, and mastering email etiquette and communication. Module 2 covers Advanced Excel with data analytics. You will master advanced formulas, pivot tables for MIS reporting, financial modeling, and Excel automation using tools like Power Query and Power Pivot. Module 3, Tally Prime with GST and AI, teaches end-to-end business accounting. Key areas include company creation, GST configuration, inventory, payroll management, and advanced banking with AI integration. Module 4 focuses on GST and income tax practical training. This includes hands-on training on the government portal for registration, returns filing, input tax credit reconciliation, and ITR preparation. Module 5 covers QuickBooks accounting for cloud accounting. You will master cloud setup, invoicing, expense tracking, real-time bank integration, and generating essential financial reports for business insights. Module 6 offers specialization options, SAP FICO for large corporations, focusing on S/4HANA, or Excel data analytics for business intelligence, emphasizing advanced dashboards and AI integration. Module 7, AI tools for accounting, prepares you for the future. You will learn AI invoice processing, bookkeeping automation, AI for financial analysis, and using generative AI for finance tasks. Module 8 focuses on spoken English and corporate skills. This module develops professional communication, presentation, meeting skills, and interview preparation to help you secure high-paying jobs. Graduates with AI and ERP skills command significantly higher packages. AI-enabled accountants see about 70% growth over traditional peers, reaching the top tier of senior tax consultants. Ready to launch your high-demand career? Admissions are open for the Professional Diploma in Accounting and Taxation with AI. Apply now to secure your spot.